Hey guys, what's up? This is Sean from SeanDahl.com. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I wanted to take a minute to talk about why I think Instagram is so important for photographers. So before we get into why Instagram is such a good social media platform for photographers, I want to talk about why it's such a good platform in general. Instagram is a visual platform. It was designed for photographers and it focuses 100% on the images on the platform. When you visit Instagram, all it is images. So like on Facebook, you're just bombarded with articles and text posts and GIFs and things like that. But on Instagram, it's only images. It's there for people that want to look at beautiful photos. Plus, Instagram has absolutely insane engagement. I think it has one of the highest forms of engagement on any social media platform ever. That compares against Facebook, Snapchat, Pinterest, and all the other social media platforms. Instagram is number one in terms of engagement. There's over 600 million users on Instagram. 300 million of which are active every single day. So when you post a photo, it has the chance to reach millions and millions of people. Okay, so why is it useful for photographers specifically? Well, first off, I stated in the beginning, Instagram is a visual platform. So when you visit someone's profile, it has all of their images right there for you to look at. And as photographers, right, we're visual people. We take photos for a living, or maybe you're just an amateur, whatever. We take photos, that's what we do. So Instagram is already a perfect platform for us to share our photos on. And because of that, it serves as an awesome portfolio. And that's the first reason why I think Instagram is such a crucial tool for photographers and why every photographer should have an Instagram. It serves as a portfolio. You know, a lot of photographers have multiple portfolios. I have a portfolio on my website. I have a portfolio on my Instagram. I have a portfolio on my Facebook. But the reason why I like Instagram so much is because you can tailor your feed to your own specific style. So when somebody visits your page, all of your photos are right there on your profile. And if you have a very specific editing style or really unique type of photography style, you can really show that on Instagram. And you can even put in your bio, this is my style, this is what I focus on, blah, blah, blah. And then you have all of those photos there. So when somebody visits your profile and they see that really unique style, that's something for them to latch onto. So I think Instagram is a really, really crucial portfolio for all photographers, whether you're shooting food, fashion, portraits, weddings, it doesn't matter. I think every photographer should use Instagram as one of their portfolio sources. So going off of that, another reason why Instagram is such a good tool for using as a portfolio is it serves as a wonderful way to find clients. I have found so many clients through my Instagram page. And I'm a travel photographer. I travel the world. I take photos for different businesses. I do things online. So it doesn't matter where I am. If I'm engaging with the local hashtags, the local locations on Instagram, I can find clients no matter where I am in the world. If you're a photographer in New York City or Hong Kong or wherever, and you're really engaging with those local hashtags, you're engaging with the local population through Instagram, that is a fantastic way to find clients. And I talk about this in my portrait photography course, Becoming a Professional Portrait Photographer, the importance of Instagram for finding clients. When you post all of your photos and it's serving as your portfolio, if somebody visits your page and they happen to be from the same city you're in and they really like your work, it's so easy for them to just contact you and chat about pricing or services or anything like that. And I think every photographer should implement this into their marketing strategies. If you're not doing it, you got to get on it because there's been several case studies. I know several photographers that are making insane amounts of money and they find all of their clients through Instagram. This is especially relevant if your demographics are younger. Instagram's biggest demographic is 18 through 29. So it's a really good tool for finding younger clients. So wedding photography, portrait photography, and even a lot of fashion brands search on Instagram now for a lot of photographers because they're engaged with that platform. Most businesses are engaged with Instagram in some way. So it's a really good tool to find clients. I really cannot highlight that fact enough. And the third reason why I think it's such a crucial tool, and this, once again, this kind of builds off of finding clients and using it as a portfolio, but with all social media forms, Instagram serves as a form of social proof. So when you visit someone's profile and they have 100,000 followers, you're gonna instantly think, wow, this is a good photographer. You know, they're doing something right. And I think a lot of us are kind of hesitant to like look at follower count. It seems kind of shallow and a lot of people are against it. But guys, it is important. And that's why I pride myself in working hard to make sure my Instagram is continuously growing because it's a business thing. It's not, I want to look cool for my friends. It's, this is part of my business. This is a central aspect of my business. It's important for me to make sure that I'm continuously growing in that aspect so I can continue finding clients, I can continue stepping my game up, and keep continuing on that upward path. And that's why I think Instagram is a good tool. It serves as that instant social proof. So I think a lot of photographers are using Instagram, but they're not using it in a way that they should be. You know, they're just kind of posting photos here and there. They're not really engaging with the platform. They're not actively trying to grow. And I think actively trying to grow on a platform like Instagram, it can be difficult, but it can be so rewarding once you kind of hit that bump and once you reach 5,000 to 10,000 followers and starts compounding and you get more and more and more, and it continues to grow from there. So it's amazing how just a little bit of work in the beginning can really set you up for success and really explode your photography business. And this is also relevant for people that are not shooting professionally yet, but they want to. And like I said before, in my portrait photography course, I really talk about that and why it's so important to have a good portfolio, and to have a good portfolio on Instagram specifically. I think it's a really good platform for growing your business. But guys, that's pretty much all I have for you today. I just really wanted to highlight that. I get a lot of questions. How central is Instagram to your business? Me personally, it's very central to my business. And I know a lot of really high-end photographers that make a ton of money through Instagram. That's where they find a lot of their clients. It's a fantastic form of social proof. It's a great place for a portfolio because all of your images are right there next to each other. And with that, it's a really good way to find clients, especially younger clients. It's a resource that I cannot highlight enough. If you guys want to learn more about growing your Instagram account, I have a really popular course on Instagram growth. It's called Becoming an Instagram Influencer. So maybe you're not interested in becoming an influencer, but you just want to grow your Instagram account to make more money through your photography business. I cannot highlight that enough. There's a link in the description. It's super engaging. It's a video course. It's about 50 minutes to an hour long. I worked really hard on it. I think you guys will enjoy it. But guys, that's all I got for you today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. I always appreciate your feedback and your comments. And I will talk to you guys soon. Thanks again.